Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something truly special sitting right in front of us. The 2027 Honda Odyssey Ultimate. This is not your grandfather's minivan. This is a rolling first-class cabin on wheels. So let us get into it because there is a lot to talk about. Starting up front, the design language Honda chose here is bold and unapologetic. You have this massive vertical chrome grille that runs almost the full height of the front fascia. Very commanding, very presence-forward. It reminds me of something between a Rolls-Royce Cullinan and a luxury Japanese coach, which is not a combination I expected to say about a Honda, but here we are. Walking around to the back, things get even more interesting. Honda fitted the Odyssey Ultimate with a raised pop-top roof section. Yes, a pop-top, which gives the rear cabin an elevated lounge area with panoramic windows all around. The tailgate design is clean and modern, with a full-width light bar across the back that actually spells out HONDA in multicolored LED lettering. And speaking of experience, stepping inside this cabin is genuinely breathtaking. The second row features two captain chairs finished in premium cream-colored quilted leather. Each seat is fully power adjustable, reclines almost flat, and has its own dedicated armrest console with a touchscreen controller and a built-in cup holder with ambient blue lighting. Now let us talk about what is under that hood. Honda has gone fully electric with the Odyssey Ultimate, and popping the hood reveals a clean, well-organized electric motor bay with bright orange high-voltage cables, the signature of a serious electric drivetrain. Based on what Honda has previewed, we are looking at a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup producing somewhere around 300 to 350 horsepower. So what is this going to cost? Based on positioning, equipment level, and Honda's recent luxury trajectory in Asian markets, I would expect the 2027 Honda Odyssey Ultimate to land somewhere between $80,000 and $110,000 United States dollars depending on the market and trim configuration.